how to find mini app settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and now click these 3 points in the top corner and then click share profile, and here we'll find these 3 points. Click on it and here is it. Here you can find mini app settings. You can clear cache and that's it. It's easy. You can manage anything you want here, and you can add that to your home, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.